Hey there, it's David Cinelli here, Realtor with Royal LePage Signature, with another Real Estate Educational Friday. Today, we are going to look to see how COVID-19 pandemic affected sales here in the GTA. As for us realtors, it's probably the same for you. We're all being encouraged, unless we are an essential service, to stay in our homes and not to leave unless it's absolutely necessary. For us realtors, as you can imagine, this has really affected how we run our business. For example, there's no open houses, there's limited amount of physical showings, and we're being highly encouraged just to do virtual tours or virtual 360 tours of properties that buyers are interested in looking at. And what a lot of us have been telling our clients is, unless you absolutely need to sell, now is probably not the right time to put your home on the market. Also, there are a lot of people that do not want to put their homes on the market in case they face exposure to COVID-19. Therefore, we have seen a decrease of 63.7% of new homes hitting the market when compared to this time last year. As you can imagine, there has also been less amount of people, active buyers, looking at homes, which also has led to a decrease in the amount of sales. Since the week before the announcement, March 8th to the 14th, there has been declining amount of sales in the GTA each week. The week of March 8th to the 14th, we had 2,335 sales. However, if you compare that number to the amount of sales we had this previous week, which was 542, it was a 76.8% decrease in the amount of sales. However, since the amount of new inventory has also decreased, it is understandable why the amount of sales has almost mimicked the amount of new listings we are seeing in the GTA. However, what I found was really interesting over this past month and a half, the type of home ratios has pretty much stayed the same. The detached segment are still making up about 45% of overall sales, where the condo segment is making up anywhere between 22 to 28% of the amount of sales, which is pretty much the same as we had before the pandemic announcement. The good news, though, is that through this pandemic, average sales price in the GTA still remained pretty strong. The average sales price for sales in the GTA was $819,665, which represents only a 1.5 decrease when you compare it to the same period in 2019. Basically, what these numbers tell me is that people are being prudent and staying home and are not risking themselves or others by needlessly adding potential contamination into the environment. At the same time, our housing market is still staying pretty strong, even when we are facing these adverse conditions. It is also reassuring that our real estate assets are staying strong even during a global pandemic. So I just wanted to say, stay strong, stay safe, and there is some light at the end of the tunnel. Have a great day. Bye for now.